I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by picking the correct ear tip size. This controls seal and bass response. Once chosen, align the stem with your ear canal opening so the ear tip points slightly inward. You press the bud gently into the entrance and rotate back toward your head until it seats in the concha. This first insertion step matters because it sets seal, comfort, and microphone alignment. Make sure you can feel a light suction. If not, try the next size and repeat. You continue by rotating the bud about 30 to 45 degrees toward the rear of your head. That twist locks the stem against the cartilage. Once done, use a slight downward push while maintaining rotation. This pulls the tip into position and improves low-frequency seal. You should test audio briefly to verify left and right channels and confirm a snug feel without pressure. If music sounds thin, adjust rotation and try a different tip size until the bass returns and the fit feels stable. You finish by performing a quick movement test. Nod, turn your head, and jog in place to ensure retention. Once confident, tune the fit. If bass is weak or ambient noise leaks in, remove and reinsert with a different tip size or repeat the rotation and push technique until seal improves. If audio fails, make sure Bluetooth is connected, restart the earbuds, and if necessary, perform a factory reset. One key troubleshooting tip: swap to the adjacent tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.